fishing and how big you're gonna get big fish. I'm gonna go find them all. How are you guys? Okay. I kind of feel like I've had a bottle of champagne. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. It's incredible.
Okay, big.
Have you got something?
I think I got something.
What? Have you?
Yeah.
An old boot, I bet.
You okay?
This is a big one. Fish. Oh! Damn, I lost it. What the hell was that?
A day of deep-sea fishing on a charter vessel turned into terror on the high seas off the coast of Cape Town.
Our feeling at this time is that a whale breached and inadvertently took the boat down. The operator put the vessel into close proximity of mating whales.
Following the incident, a search and recovery effort was launched. Initially, it was believed that the only creature large enough to down the fishing vessel would be a whale breaching over the top of the boat. But the wreckage suggested otherwise.